Elegy written in a country churchyard by Thomas Gray is a reflective poem about death, the lives of ordinary people, and the legacies they leave. The speaker contrasts the fleeting nature of fame with the lasting dignity of the humble, imagining the untapped potential of those buried in the churchyard. The poem emphasizes that a virtuous life is the best legacy and highlights the universal experience of death and the value of simple, honest living. Elegy written in a country churchyard explores themes of mortality, social class, and human experience through moral and philosophical. The poem contrasts the modest virtues of ordinary people with the pursuit of fame and wealth. The speaker questions the worth of life and death, suggesting genuine greatness isn't defined by social standing. The poem Elegy written in a country churchyard by Thomas Gray explores the themes of life and death. Gray reflects on the inevitability of death, emphasizing that regardless of one's wealth or status, death is an unavoidable part of life. He urged readers like us to be kind and grateful for what they have, as wealth cannot protect them from death. The poem also addresses the issue of discrimination, highlighting the mistreatment of a Gray's message serves as a reminder to refrain from being judgmental and to strive for equality among all individuals.